This tutorial shows you how to create custom alerts to get notified about topics you care about on your Android device. First, open your web browser like Chrome on your Android device. Next, type google.com/alerts in the address bar and press enter. Following that, you'll be taken to the Google Alerts homepage. Now, you'll see a search box at the top that says Create an Alert About. Tap on the search box to enter the topic you want to track. Moving forward, type in your search query or topic of interest. For example, you could type Android updates, or your company name, or any topic you want to monitor. As you type, Google will show you a preview of recent results for that query. Afterwards, tap on Show Options below the search box to customize your alert. You'll see several customization options appear. Look for How Often and tap on it. Select how frequently you want to receive alerts. As it happens, at most once a day, or at most once a week. Choose based on how urgent the topic is to you. Next, tap on Sources to select where you want alerts from. You can choose automatic, news, blogs, web, video, books, or discussions. Select your preferred sources or leave it on automatic. Additionally, tap on Language to select which language you want results in. Choose your preferred language from the list. You can also tap on Region to specify a geographic region for results. Select your country or leave it as any region. Tap on How Many to choose result quality. Select only the best results or all results based on your preference. Now tap on Deliver to choose where you want alerts sent. Enter your email address where you want to receive notifications. Make sure it's an email you check regularly. Once all settings are configured, tap Create Alert at the bottom. Your Google Alert is now created and active. You'll start receiving email notifications based on your settings whenever new content matches your search query. To manage your alerts, scroll down on the Google Alerts page. You'll see all your created alerts listed. You can edit an alert by tapping the pencil icon next to it, or delete an alert by tapping the tash icon. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you set up Google Alerts, give it a like, subscribe for more Google tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.